And it cannot be said enough, we owe so much to our healthcare workers. We talked to one of these everyday heroes about her passion to help patients struggling with dementia. Coming up next, a healthcare hero has tips for those taking care of patients struggling with dementia. If you want proof that sometimes the little things can make all the difference, our next guest is living proof of that. Iris Yasso is a health aide for Suncoast Hospice, a pioneering heart who is making a difference in our community every single day. She joins us now to tell us a little bit about her position and what it's done for her. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can't wait to hear your story, and we'll get to one specific moment that I think is really going to resonate with a lot of our viewers here in a moment. But first off, yeah, you're at Suncoast. How long have you been at Suncoast Hospice?
Almost 20 years.
Almost 20 years. And you also specialize in working with dementia patients.
Dementia patients, correct.
How did you decide and why to put your focus there?
I like to work with challenged patients, and they are behind the way they're acting is something special with them, that you have to have the patient and the passion and just work with them.
Did you have a particular aha moment where things clicked for you as far as how to make headway with them and really give them the best care that you possibly could?
I do. I don't rush. I don't like to rush. I don't rush my patients. I like to talk with them first. I've never mentioned shower for them because they get scared when it's cold. So we talk, we sit, and then slowly we start their care.
Now, I'm glad that you brought up the shower, because I know there was a particular story of a patient that you worked with on a regular basis who was really afraid of showers, like you said, and you could not get through to them, and you finally found a way through a small toy, right?
Yes, yes, yes. It was a patient that she was very challenged, very little aggressive, but before I go to her resident, I see that she had pictures with a lot of horses. Everywhere in her room, she got a lot of pictures with horses when she was little. So I said I had to work with something. I got a toy, I got a horse, a small horse, went to the Dollar Tree, got a small horse, and I showed her, and she was, oh my God, she was happy, calm, and relaxed. Since that day, the care went fantastic.
Wow, just with that little toy horse, that made all the difference. You going that extra mile. That is so cool, and I'm sure the family really appreciated that too.
Oh, they do, but even after that, the patient she's getting used to have that in her care now. So it's like bringing her memories.
Oh, yeah, right. And you hear that a lot with patients with dementia and Alzheimer's, little things that spark their memory from their past. What have you learned from working with these patients?
Oh, I learned besides what's going on with them, with their dementia problems, you have to look what's behind them. It's a beautiful and a fantastic stories about them before they get sick. So they had the best memory. Awesome. It's outstanding.
You know, when we heard about your story, well, one of the things that stood out was that you know, you've made such an impact that there are particular families who ask for you by name to help care for their other family members. How have you found a way to not only really specialize your care, individualize it for each particular patient, but to gain that trust with the family as well?
You know what? I never feel bad that the families around you doing the care. I think it's great when the family's around so they can trust us what we're doing. And I love my job, number one, and number two, I treat them like family. You have to treat it just like family, and don't rush. Take your time with them, and no matter if they're confused, just listen to them.
Iris, we just have a few more seconds, but before we let you go, what is the biggest message that you want to try and hit home with our viewers today?
Love your job. Love your job. Love what you do. And go with great attitude every morning when you're going to see your patients. Don't come with, just bring the best smile for them every morning, and you will get the best results.
Oh, if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life, right?
Oh, yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your caring heart and for sharing with us. Keep doing what you're doing, because it means so much to so many families here in Tampa Bay. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.